We're gonna be trying this recording out right here to see how much I am good at camera angling. But okay, let's start it out. We're gonna be building this light. And we're gonna be doing it right. That's right. That's right, we're gonna be building this light. So here's the base. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Looks like I already got either that. Did it come? Really? Great. Looks like it was damaged a little bit. That's annoying. No. Let's see what else came with it, because honestly, this place feels tiny. Okay. Oh, it came with like a... What the heck? Let's see what it came with. So it came with like some weird ass... I mean, like, you can tell that the way this looks is that they're just gonna snap together and then voila, you're gonna have it, but... Why doesn't give me like Ninja Turtles meets like Ninja Turtles meets 2002's Daredevil vibes with the extendo staff feeling. Now let's put these all together. We got the lights first, it looks like. Oh, by the way, sorry about the camera angles. I know I have a tripod and everything somewhere. I just don't feel like getting it out. Plus, I don't have like a legit camera anymore. It's out of commission, my legit camera. Seems like I guess we have to put these together, so I will put these together and we'll be right back. It's done. Took a little longer than I expected, but it is done. It was like a wire that was in this pole that just wasn't allowing me to actually do anything. So yeah, now that we got this together, we're gonna put that onto that. And there you have it, folks.